Setting up for toe taps, we want to perform this movement in an imprint spine. So we're actually going to lift the pubic bone slightly higher than the hip bone while maintaining our tailbone on the floor. Once you've achieved that, then we're going to engage the T-zone while we inhale to lift one leg and then exhale to lift the other leg. This is the starting position. We're going to keep the ribs nice and tight, T-zone on, inhale here. And then exhale, lower the toe down to the ground. Inhale, return. Exhale, lower the other leg. Inhale, return. We're doing this while we're trying to maintain tight ribs, maintaining the imprint spine, and keeping our T-zone switched on. Now, if this is feeling pretty good, what you can do is progress the movement onto an extended leg. So you'll inhale in tabletop, exhale, extend the leg. Inhale, return. Exhale, extend. Now remember, we only want to lengthen as far as we can still maintain an imprinted spine, keeping our tailbone on the floor, keeping the ribs nice and tight, and our T-zone switched on.